Okay, let's try this next question here. It says, write down the equations of the asymptotes of this hyperbola that we're looking at. Well, you just have to know how they work. And the horizontal asymptote is y equals 4. And the vertical asymptote is x equals 8. That's straight up, x is always equal to 8. Those are the two places that the function can never touch, because 8 minus 8 would make this 0. And if this was 0, that means this could be 4, but it can't be. So those are the two places it can never touch. What's the domain of f? All the things x can be. Well, it can't be 8 because you're not allowed to divide by 0. It can be any real number, but x can't equal 8. Determine the coordinates of the intercepts. Well, the first one that's easy is just the y-intercept. You just put 0 in there, and you go 8 divided by negative 8 is negative 1 plus 4, it's 3. So 0 and 3. That's the y-intercept. Yeah, that's where it crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept's a little bit trickier. You have to let y equal 0. And then I'd subtract 4, and then multiply everything by x minus 8. So if you imagine a minus 4 being there, getting multiplied by x minus 8, it would turn into minus 4x plus 32. And that x minus 8 would cancel, and you'd have 8 here. And then you subtract 32, you get minus 24. Divide by negative 4, there's the other x-intercept, 6 and 0. Okay. Or that's the x-intercept, that's the y-intercept. Determine the equation of the positive axis of symmetry of f. Well, we know that it goes through this thing. It's y equals x plus c. That's the positive one. We know it goes through 8 and 4. So you just put x is 8, y is 4, c is minus 4. So there it is, the equation of the positive axis of symmetry. You kind of have to know. The negative one is y equals minus x plus c. That's the way our hyperbolas work. Determine the equation of g if g of x equals f of x minus 2. That means we took away, we shifted, we would do a horizontal shift. We would move the hyperbola 2 to the right and 2 down. Well, all you do is take away 2 from that minus 8. It becomes minus 10. And instead of 4, you subtract 2. You just do what it says to do here to turn it into the new function g of x. And that's all there is to it.